the Innokin PocketBox and the Innokin Zenith kit with Kroma-A and Zenith tank. Let's have a quick look. Hey guys, Ben Vick here, back with another quick look video. Today we are taking a quick look at two new products from Innokin. We are looking at this, the incredibly small, the incredibly diddy wee PocketBox from Innokin, and we're looking at the Kroma Zenith kit from Innokin as well. So the PocketBox, what is it? Tiny little all-in-one thing. It's just so small. There's just no comparison I can give you. This is it compared to a hexome. It's a tiny 1200 mAh all-in-one system. All-in-one because you unscrew this top bit here and you can lift the entire coil out, leaving you with a reservoir to squirt your juice in. Obviously that means no other atomizers can be used with this item. Really cool looking, available in loads of colours and styles and things like that. Comes with a 0.35 ohm direct lung coil head. And that was the first thing that took me by surprise with this PocketBox. It's actually a direct to lung device. I assumed by the size of it that it would be low power, high resistance, mouth to lung style vaping, but it's not. It's a direct to lung device. Vaping an absolute treat. It vapes up a storm. Tiny little thing vaping up a storm. It's a 0.35. They say it's coming out around 40 watts. It isn't just putting out straight unregulated power, I believe. I believe it is actually holding a little bit back to aid battery life and to give you around that 40 watt vape. So 1200 mAh battery, 1 amp USB charging. It's got the classic Innokin light show, so 3 clicks on, 3 clicks off. The light will change to warn you about battery life. A very cool little device in my opinion. Really solidly put together, really nice looking, insanely small. Very small indeed. It is 2 mil capacity, so Tpd compliant. The capacity and the battery life seem on a level. I need to charge it at the same time I need to refill it, which is fine, I guess. You know, you're never going to get a lot of battery life out of something so small. So I would say the battery life for what it is acceptable, and the 2 mil capacity, it feels fair. It feels fair and it feels good, and it is Tpd compliant, which is great. I really like this. I'm giving this, personally, the PocketBox, a massive thumbs up. I think it's a really cool little all-in-one device. Really handy pub vape, really handy stealth vape. I have no issues or qualms with this. The coil heads are lasting a really good amount of time, and the flavour is very good as well. Really blown away by this little direct lung PocketBox from Innokin. The Zenith and the Kroma. Okay, so if you want a full review of these items, I have actually reviewed them separately in full. Links in the description below. The Kroma-A is the second iteration of this mod from Innokin. Originally it had a sort of nested tank design. This was the second one. Really great looking 75 watt mod, TC available on it as well, built-in 2000 mAh battery. Really stylish looking, available in loads of colours. Got this really nice grippy back bit here, really nice, bright, easy to use classic Innokin screen. 24mm tanks go flush on top. Really neat, really nifty little thing. Obviously the negatives that we always associate with these things: if you don't like built-in batteries, you won't like this. If you like big flashy fancy touch screens and things like that, then this may be a bit understated for you, but this is a very solid mod that I actually really like overall. The Zenith tank. The Zenith tank is the Phil Basado and TDvjRB Greek designed mouth-to-lung tank from Innokin. The Zenith tank. Again, I have done a full review of this tank as well, and there's a link in the description to that if you want a full review of it. a solid tank, in my opinion, a solid mouth to lung tank. Really great top fill. The genius on the top fill is that it closes the juice flow when you open the when you open the filling top bit. So it makes it much harder to flood, leak, gurgle, all that sort of stuff. Very clever design. Really cool tank. The heads that are available for it are 0.8 and 1.6, I believe. I like the 0.8 heads personally as a personal vapor, but for mouth to lung, for strict mouth to lung, the 1.6 heads are where you want to go. If you're a new vapor converting from smoking, check out those higher resistance heads. They are more suited for mouth to lung, which is more similar to smoking. It'll help you get off the cigarettes. So the Zenith tank there. The one thing that possibly we've had mixed reports about is the longevity of the coil heads with this Zenith tank. Really mixed reports. Some people saying it's absolutely fine and they're getting 20, 30, 40 mil off it. Some people saying it's only lasting 10, 12 mil, and it's a real mixed bag, and it's very hard to figure out why some people are having such different results. Personally, I'm doing okay with mine. They seem to be okay. They're lasting about 20 mil, which for a mouth to lung, low wattage tank is quite a decent amount of juice. So that is that. It comes now available as a kit. You can get the Kroma in a different style separately. You can get the Zenith separately as well. But if you want a kit, if you want a nice mouth to lung or low wattage direct lung kit, really well made, really solid, really affordable, then this is it. The Zenith Kroma kit from Innokin. Do check it out. I do think it's one of the better mouth to lung options on the market today. Again, a quick look, but links in the description to the full reviews if you're interested. And that is the Kroma and Zenith kit. So, two cool things. Really, really impressed with the PocketBox. I like this kit as well. But yeah, especially blown away by the PocketBox. But this is a solid kit as well. Check out the full reviews if you want to. Vape's a bit like this. So that is it. That is the Kroma kit with Zenith tank from Innokin as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment and subscribe. It's good to be back, and I'll see you again for some more reviews really soon. Bye bye.